Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson, and welcome to WDT Media TV again. And welcome to the first of our coverage of the major pipeline replacement project, on along Spanish Town Road. And the aim of this project is to improve the water supply from Ferry into communities in Kingston that are off Spanish Town Road. So this is the first of our coverage here of this event. Is the major pipeline replacement project now on along Spanish Town Road. And these seems to be the 900mm pipelines will be running along Spanish Town Road. And look inside the pipelines here, and these are the pipelines that will be used to improve the water supply to communities in the corporate area that are off Spanish Town Road, such as the Seivwright Gardens, the Tivoli Garden, downtown central Kingston, and those communities, Wilton Gardens, and those off the Spanish Town Road. We're now on the median along Spanish Town Road, just across from, it's called Henley Road, and leads into Waterhouse. And across here was once the Miles football field, or the Fosker House Oval. And used to host the Fosker House football competition, and later on the Schiller Fraser Prize Community Football League used to host over here. But just that happening right now. And these are the pipelines that will be used to run and to improve water supply. You can see them on the roadway, also in the vicinity of Wray and Nephew, here along Spanish Town Road, and by this underutilized park, just across from Henley Road, and also across from Wray and Nephew. You see more pipelines along the roadway, along Spanish Town Road. And again, they are the 900mm pipes. And look at this gully, the side of Wray and Nephew, along Spanish Town Road. And it's supposed to be a gully. You can see it's not turning into a green space. That should be under the bridge at 3 miles, not into the gully. It's not garbage here, but the gully now transformed into a green space. Along Spanish Town Road, beside J Wray and Nephew. We are now at Spanish Town Road and Kennedy road that leads into the Waterhouse community. And you're looking at a product of Waterhouse. You're standing Shelley and Fraser Price. This is Penwood Road that leads into Waterhouse from Spanish Town Road. And along this road, they'll be laying some 150mm pipes to improve the water supply to the Waterhouse community. I will be starting along this road. This is Penwood Road that runs straight into Waterhouse Square. And it's just across from Seivwright Gardens here along Spanish Town Road. Go up, you're heading into 3 miles. And down, you're heading down into Spanish Town and communities leading off Spanish Town Road. For example, Riverton City, Coville Gardens, sorry, not Coville, Washington Gardens, and those communities. Here is Seivwright Gardens. Entrance to Seivwright Gardens off Spanish Town Road. And somewhat damaged the sign here in Seivwright Gardens. Welcoming sign. The big crack here. Damage. The beautiful welcome to Seivwright Gardens sign. Hopefully, it can be repaired very soon. Back at Mahoe Drive and White Wing. As soon as the residents, as soon as the garbage truck remove the garbage, residents just split up back, as you can see. Another burst pipe here along Mahoe Drive. You can see water running. Another burst pipe here, you can see water running. Water running here along. This pipe I've repaired so many times in the same area. And I can see the water running here again. Let's now go to the source of the leak. We're following the water trail. We're following the trail around here. See it go around the curve. Here's the leak here at Quarrie Path. This was repaired some 2 months ago. And it's leaking all over again here at Quarrie Path in the Seivwright Gardens community. So meanwhile, as the major pipeline replacement project is taking place along Spanish Town Road, there is a major leak along Quarrie Path in Seivwright Gardens. You can see, just close by. In Quarrie Path in Seivwright Gardens. And it runs along the roadway. Back here at 3 miles, and we did make a call for the rails to be installed here at 3 miles along Hagley Park Road, just in the vicinity of Quarrie Gardens Primary School. And again, we're going to repeat our call to the National Works Agency. The same way we made a call for the rails, and the rails are now here. And now, as we said, we're going to repeat our call again to the National Works Agency for the much planned or promised green space under the bridge here at 3 miles. And also for restrooms to be installed in 3 Mile to avoid taxi operators and commuters coming from rural Jamaica to use this area as a makeshift bathroom, as you have seen so often. I'm Dudley Thompson at 3 Miles for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. And again, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks in advance, and thanks for watching.
Mark out, Ali, ready.